Now, your Storm Alert Team Forecast from meteorologist Brittany Foster.
Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. We're taking a look outside this morning, first off at infrared satellite imagery. So looking at some clouds across the state, most of the thicker ones off near the Midwest. You can see a little bit of some white appearing, though, further off to the east behind a cold front that's moving through the area. So pretty clear skies, though, overall, at least in southeast Nebraska. That's the current case. Now let's look where that cold front is located. Notice how Lincoln, we still have that wind out of the south, even a line from Hebron to Omaha, but further off to the west of the Tri-Cities, we're seeing the wind out of the west, eventually that'll rotate out of the northwest. So that cold front kind of located right about here, getting ready to push through southeast Nebraska, bringing some colder air behind it for later today. But even right now, we're already off to a pretty chilly start out there with wind chill values in the teens. It currently feels like 14 degrees as you step outside in York and Aurora this morning. A little warmer for Hebron, 22 degrees, as well as in Lincoln. 15 degrees is what it feels like in Omaha, as well as in Nebraska City. So winter layers on this morning and even later today. This is one of the few days this month that it's actually felt like December. Highs today will be where they should be, in the mid to upper 30s. It looks like by 11 o'clock we'll get to the low 30s. 1 to 3 o'clock, high temperatures today right around the mid 30s. For Lincoln, I think we could see a high around 37 degrees, and also further down to the south, close to the Kansas border, maybe those upper 30s with mostly sunny skies also today. So a dry day today, definitely cooler than what we've been really used to for most of the month since it's been above average, but where we should be for December, feeling like a December day today, and also feeling like a December night tonight as we'll drop down into the teens for actual air temperatures. 13 degrees for your overnight low. Throw in a little bit of wind, and we're talking a little bit of it, and it might feel like the single digits. We are expecting pretty calm wind speeds, but we are still keeping an eye on that for tomorrow morning. And once we get through the rest of your Tuesday, well, things start to warm up. 46 degrees returns tomorrow with those 40s, flirting with the 50s on Wednesday, back in the 50s by Thursday. Maybe a little bit of cloud coverage near the end of the week, but notice we do have a clear warming trend the next 3 days. And on top of it, for southeast Nebraska, at least in the southern half of the state, a dry weather period. We are not expecting any precipitation the next 7 days, which means if you wanted some snow on Christmas, yeah, it's not looking likely, especially when you look at Christmas Eve. Our current high temperature is 57 degrees, could break some records, maybe even seeing some 60s on Friday and Christmas Day right now. Dry, 48 degrees for your high, so not a normal Christmas around Nebraska. Very warm but fitting. I mean, Andrew, it's been like this for most of the month.
Yeah, I guess Christmas dinner picnics.
Yeah, that might be a thing we hear about this year around the area.
All right, thank you, Brittany. Well, coming up at the top of the